Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is another two-part video. Well, not two-part, but two hairstyle video. And today's is going to be Elvis's hair from the movie Girls, 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 and his hair from the movie It Happens at the World's Fair. The reason I rolled them into the same video is because they're actually, to me, looking at the pictures and the movie and things, because I've seen the film a lot, I'd say they're identical. So it's literally going to be a very quick video. I'm going to style my hair once and that's going to be it because it covers both hairstyles. So in this video I'm going to need a comb. I'm going to use a brush just briefly. This is a vent brush. I'll probably use hairspray, and I'm also going to use a little dab of Brill cream because his hair in both movies is quite shiny, and I would have thought, being in the 60s, he would have used something like this just to give it a nice shine. It might just be that his hair looks really wet from the hairspray, but I'm going to use that just to create the effect. You don't really need the Brill cream, but because it's not going to offer much hold, that's what the hairspray is for. I just want to recreate the shine aspect of the hair, so I'm just going to dampen my hair a little bit, not too much, just to get it going. Right, that should do it. Now I'm going to use the vent brush just to slick all my hair back, make sure there's no knots. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to add a little scoop of Brill cream, just a fingertip amount. To get started, I might need a little bit more now. Just make sure your hair is really coated and distributed. Okay, to be honest, I think that'll do it. So for this now, I'm going to use a comb and slick it back again just to run all the Brill cream through my hair, make sure it's distributed evenly. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do on the left hand side of your hair is part your hair. Just as simple as that. Slick that side back. Then, from what I can gather, it's basically the way they've styled it, because Elvis got a natural wave to his hair. They've styled it very similar to the way that he would in the 50s with the swirl. However, his hair's a lot shorter than mine is right now. From what I've seen in the 60s, when he's been in swimming pools and movies and things like that, and his fringe comes down, it's in line with his forehead and with his eyebrows. My hair obviously isn't that short. My hair comes to the tip of my nose. So I'm going to try my best to make it look as much like it. I'm trying not to get a lot of volume because I've got a lot of hair compared to what he had in that particular set of movies. It's going to look a lot big, like a lot taller than his hair in the movie, so I'm sort of trying to conceal the length of my hair when I'm styling it. So I'm going to swirl it round and just lie it flat once again. Press it down. I'm just going to press my hair down a little bit. If your hair's quite shorter than mine, you probably won't have to. And then I'm just going to slick the unparted side like we do with the Elvis hairstyle. So I'm just going to flatten my hair down a little bit. Yeah, that's about right. Just going to tidy that up. And then for the back of both hairstyles, he doesn't have a DA like he had in the 50s. In fact, he never had a DA again, so I'm just going to comb it flat. Make sure that everything's lying neat. Now I'm actually going to go over it with this bristle brush, which I did mention in the start of the video, but what I was going to do is make my hair lie really flat and quite neat, which is exactly what you need for this hairstyle, because it's quite, for Elvis, it was quite a conservative haircut, I would have said personally, because it's a lot shorter. Another detail that you'll notice that I've got, which he didn't have in the movies, was obviously sideburns. I don't really want to shave them off, like I mentioned in the other video, so they're staying, but you can imagine what they look like if I didn't have sideburns. So I've tried to get as low as I possibly could cut my hair. It gives the general idea. It's not exactly like the 50s hairstyle, but it's like a hybrid, I would have said, between a shorter, more conservative haircut, like a executive contour, and Elvis's pompadour from the 50s. So just to set it, like I'm sure Larry Geller, his hairdresser, would have done in the movies, we're going to spray it. And because this particular brand of Elnet has that argan oil in it, it's going to add even more shine. So if I just go in the light, you can see it's a lot shinier than if I were to use a matte based hairspray, obviously, because this has essential oils in it, so it's going to give that lovely sheen that you want for any of Elvis's hairstyles where he's got shine. That's pretty much it for that tutorial. I just wanted to share that one with you quickly. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that everyone who requested those two hairstyles was pleased with this video, and it'll be a pleasure to see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.